Hey all you cool cats and kittens, it's your boy Ben from the Bay Sauce Show here. I hope you're all having a great weekend and staying safe out there. Today, on this episode of the Bay Sauce Show, we're going to be fitting a new front hub to the E36. So, stay tuned and we're going to have some good times. And if you haven't already, make sure you like the video and hit that subscribe button to make my little guy happy here. Hey, you wouldn't want to make this little guy sad now, would you? Might have to use the open-ended side instead. Hey, there we go. Bay's bolt removal service, that's how we do it. Yeah, so, as you can see, there's like chunks taken out of it. Not quite sure where they came from, because I'm pretty sure I didn't put them in there. Nice, and we'll just rest that on the lower control arm. So, disc is a little seized on there, so we're going to give it a tap off with a rubber mallet. There we are. That is off. Right, so now we've got the disc off, we need to get the hub nut off, and that is using a 46mm. But may also come under a 1" and 13/16, wherever you want to say it. I don't know, I'm not a American, so I don't use stupid bloody measurements. We use millimeters here. Yeah, so you need to break the tabs off there and then undo it. Well, one way of doing it. Cool, so got the hub off. Bearing's pretty bad, loads of stuff's just leaked out of that. And now there's this bit stuck on here. Like inner race. So we need to get that off, but we need to also be careful that we don't damage the this actual spindle part. Okay, that's not on there too. Oh, there we are. That's nice. So just need to clean this up, grease it up, and put the old bearing back on. Just whack some grease on there. This is only copper slip. I don't know whether you're supposed to use actual proper grease on there, but I haven't got any at the moment, and I think it's better to have something rather than nothing when you've got two metal surfaces mating together. Plus it'll make it a lot easier when I need to take it off next time. Then we get the nice new bearing. Tap that in there. We'll let the new nut drive it on the rest of the way. Now, for the torque settings specs for the hub nut, I'm going to resort to the Haynes manual. One of the things I use quite a lot actually, always helpful. So, Now it says for the hub nut, 290 Newton meters. My torque wrench doesn't go that high, so I'm just going to have to do it to FOT spec, which stands for off type. Cool, so now it just leaves us with putting it back together the same way it came off. Okay. Right, so unfortunately my SD cards and my camera are messing about a bit, so the videos had to be cut short there. Basically it wasn't letting me record anymore. I've had to reformat my SD cards, but they're all working now. But yeah, basically the video carried on as to me putting the hub back together and the car back together, but you saw me taking it apart, so you know, just follow it that way and you can just imagine how it went back together. So yeah, that's it for this for today's video. Make sure you do like and subscribe. Also check out a few of my other videos. I've got different ones from whether they're just following what I've done or videos I've made of drifting car shows and that, which I've done with some music and that. So yeah, have a look from my channel and check them out. Thank you.